Wow, that thing turned red like 10 minutes ago. Really? Seriously, dude? Did he come from the exit? I'll check to see. I'll use it if he did. Of course. Toyo turd.
That kid wiping his boogers on Trump's table and saying,
"Nice cut off.
Go away."
The Resolute that?
Oh, that was awesome. Did you see that now?
I have it. That's a good clip.
That was the funniest thing.
There were 2 red light runs up there. I don't think the camera caught it. And we got a left turn regret. Screw Boooo.
Together and leading you up the mountain, and hope there's lots of more Phelps team hikes to come this summer. And
the fuck are you doing behind me, dude?
Now that's going to wrap up this episode of the 46 at 46 podcast. We are currently right smack in the middle of the current Great Range Athlete team, the Cascade team. But if what we talked about today resonated with you, or you feel that you need to get stronger and fitter so that you can enjoy your mountain adventures, the next Great Range Athlete team will kick off June 1st. Mark your calendars. June 1st is the next time we're...
Yeah, it sucks. There's a car right there. I can't exactly move. This is like the worst tailgater that I've... nice cutoff. That was a nice cutoff up there. Nice cutoff.
That might be where that. I want to talk about 2 teams on a collision course, and then
really
the ramifications. And that is the best game I've seen in a long time. It looked like it was an all-star game. It was playoff. It was like
I'm sprinkled with some left-handed hitting, and I would like to see them. I know they want to use other guys.
Yeah, nice cutoff.
And I know they're trying to sell you on rice again.
I'm gonna hate doing this.
And I know Dominic Smith had a good spring. I think he left already. I think he left. I think I just saw that he left.
Oh, exit dive.
12th, 2019, El Chapo was found guilty on all counts. The jury had to be kept anonymous, and they had to be provided armed escorts. And El Chapo was kept isolated from view of the jury.
Seriously?
Everyone ever meeting him ending up dead.
Exit dive.
July 17th of this year, El Chapo was sentenced to life plus 30 years.
Wait, that was a red light back there, wasn't it? No stop.
You might as well go all the way with it. Why not say it? Anyway, he...
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Suddenly, hiking is again a different beast, a different animal. It's a totally different ballgame.
That's it, and it's so cross-platform, right? Like
red light run.
Yes.
the owner and head of the Shift construction team. My brother and his whole team ran this program together, so I'm very looking forward to hearing how his experience
was that the
went,
same?
especially with the team, his entire.
Perfect world, you probably live another 24. I can fake humble just.
I think they made it. Wait, red light run. That guy didn't.
Straight up money, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas acting, but they be acting.
No stop.
With that line, what's your name, what's your sign? Soon as he
No stop. Again. I don't know. Whatever. Seriously. Back up a shame. At least you got out of the way. Nissan drivers. And you're just going to turn right down here anyways? Red light run. No stop. No stop. Nissan drivers. You didn't stop.
That joke. In the early 1800s, Grand Mesmer
Exit dive.
bring women on stage and convince them their newborn child was a rat.
The cat blood and the mutilation shit. Like Mussolini would not kick you out for heroin and gay sex.
No stop.
It's a bunga bunga party right there.
It was like, why is everybody mean to me?
Yeah, and then he blamed labor unions for what the Nazis did. You know,
Right.
Look, I mean, like, I think.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.